Today I'm going to show you a twist on the classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I'm going to show you peanut butter and Alabama hot sauce creamed honey. So stick with me. Let's make a quick video, show you how it's done. Hey folks, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. That's alabamahotsauce.com on the web. If you're like me, you grew up loving peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Now, even as an adult, I love those things, but today I'm going to show you a little twist on the classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich. What I have here is I have Jif creamy peanut butter, and I have Alabama hot sauce original creamed honey. And I'm going to show you how to make a sandwich that I am sure you will love. I've got 2 pieces of delicious white bread here. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open my peanut butter. Let's get this little thing here off of there. And we got this wonderful creamy peanut butter. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the back of my spoon and I'm going to get a little peanut butter and throw a little wisp there. And then I'll throw a little wisp there. Now, I'll open up my Alabama hot sauce creamed honey. Using the back of another spoon, I'm going to come in here and throw a little wisp there. And throw a little wisp there. Stuff is a little bit sticky, but hey, we know what to do. Oh, this stuff is sticky. I'll come in again into my peanut butter and I'll throw another little splash and another little splash. Then I will come back to my creamed honey and we'll put a little splash there, put a little splash there. And now what we have is we got little puddles of peanut butter, little puddles of creamed honey. We put them together and let's take a bite. Wow. This is amazing. We get a lovely taste of that peanut butter, which I love. And then we get a little sweet sensation of the honey. Absolutely great, folks. 3 simple ingredients, just bread, peanut butter, and Alabama hot sauce creamed honey. Anyway, there you go. A little different way to enjoy my new twist on the classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Instead, we have peanut butter and creamed honey. Folks, give this a try yourself. Thank you for watching. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Ring that bell. Once again, Mr. Phil, Alabama hot sauce. We'll see you next time. Hey folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd appreciate it while you're here if you'd press the logo and subscribe to our channel. I've also made some video suggestions I think you might enjoy. Click them and see what you think. Again, folks, thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.